Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel SMS Infos. Today in this video, we are going to look at this 100 watt amplifier board. So, without wasting any time, let's begin. First of all, I am going to remove the wrapper by using this tool. Okay, so here is our circuit board. It comes with two transistors, one is PNP and other one is NPN. These are the main output transistors, as you can see here. This is 2sc5200 and this is 2sa1943. Okay, so now let's explore the other components. Here we have two 5 watt resistors. They seems to be good in terms of quality. And I think the other components like electrolytic capacitors, PF capacitors and resistors should also be good in terms of quality. And here the manufacturer has used BD140 as a driver transistor. Here I should tell you that BD140 is a PNP transistor and it drives 2sc5200 output transistor. And here is the other driver transistor, which is NPN. Here the manufacturer has used BD139 as the NPN driver transistor to drive 2sa1943. I am quite happy with the heatsink that they have provided. It's really thick and has no stripes. But still it's not enough for the output power of 150 watt that they have claimed. Now let's talk about PCB quality. So the PCB is well printed and nothing is bad about this PCB. I think the PCB quality is quite good. One thing that has really disappointed me is this. The PCB and the heatsink was not properly screwed. I think this could have been better. But overall quality is quite good. Now let's test the transistors. This is not the proper way to check the transistors, but still I am okay with it. Actually, you have to remove the transistors from the circuit board to check them. But I have no options because I don't want to make any damage on this board. After the checking process, I find that the transistors are in good condition. I would like to tell you something about this heatsink. If you will purchase this board, then you should definitely use a thicker heatsink. I am not talking about to remove this heatsink and to place another one. Actually, I am saying you should apply another aluminum piece on this provided heatsink. I think that would be better. Now let's look into the connections. So here you have the connections of power supply. You can use plus minus 24 volt DC to run this board, and remember this board doesn't work in AC because it doesn't have a bridge rectifier and capacitors. These connectors will be used for speaker output and this connector is for DC power supply. And this is for mono audio input signal. You can purchase this board for 620 to 650 rupees from Flipkart and Amazon. Links are in the description box below. You can go there and check them out. Okay, so this is it for today guys. I hope you would like this video. I will meet you on my next video. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. Joy I Ahom.